Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about how we can able to create the shared parameter in the electrical layout. Okay. So first of all, I already linked the file here. So I just select this light device. Here you can find out this is a parameters is already in the system. Okay. Now we have to add our parameter uh, in the property dialog box. Okay. So first of all, choose manage, choose the share parameter. So first of all, you have to create the name. So just create the name, type of lights for falsely. Okay, right. After that, I have to create the group. Here, I will create the group names falsely. Okay. After that, I will create the parameter, type of lights. Okay. Here, the discipline, I will keep it common, and the type of parameter, we'll choose it text. Okay. After that, I will click OK. Now the shared parameter dialog box, you can find out group and parameters, everything is available. Now I can choose OK. I can go back to the project parameter. I have to add and go to share parameter and select the light of type of lights. Okay. Under the electrical category, I can go to choose the lighting fixtures. Okay. And I can press OK. I can choose OK again. Okay. Now I can select my light. Here you can find out under the text the type of lights available. Now I can put it CL01 level 1. Any name I can able to choose it here. So this is called the share parameter. I hope you understand how we can able to create the share parameter in our project. Thank you so much.